Alright, so the problem I have with the stock visor, whenever I have it over here on the side, I'm left with this gap. And the sun pierces my eyeball every single time. So my Camry has a slide out arm, comes out and takes up the space. The Camry does not use the same screw orientation. So I started looking for a donor vehicle that would have sliding visors to help take up the gap, and jumped in my daughter's Pontiac Vibe. It's 2006. It's the same as the Toyota Matrix, essentially. And I noticed it has the slider, and the orientation for the screws are the same as the 4runner. Took a measurement, distance is the same. It's pretty much bolt in. So all you got to do, unscrew that one, screw this one on, and these were less than $20 at the junkyard for the pair. I checked some Toyota Matrix and none of them had this adjuster, this slide. Every Pontiac Vibe I checked had it. So I would say just find a Vibe. There's plenty of them in the junkyards around here. So we'll go ahead and get this 4runner one unbolted and bolt up the new one. Okay, so I went ahead and got it bolted in. And the distance for the holder is a little bit off from the 4runner, but since it slides, you can just slide it over. And it's a little bigger. I don't know if that'll matter, as mine's been broken forever. So it fits on mine, but keep in mind that mine is broken. If it's not broken, it might be a little bit tighter, I'm not sure. But it folds up, snaps up nice and tight. And then, of course, pull it over here, slide it back, and stop putting the sun in your eyeballs. I've put another grab handle on this truck. The holes are existing in the headliner and the nuts are already in the body. You just got to feel for the hole, poke a hole, and the passenger side handle will fit the driver's side. My factory visor hits this as well on the passenger side, so I figure when I'm driving I could just tuck it under there. It won't hurt anything. We can just go ahead and fold it in. Got the passenger one screwed in. It was less than 5 minutes for both. Definitely worth the $20. I've also found a couple more interesting things on the Vibe and the Matrix that I'm going to try to borrow for the 4runner. Once I figure out the plans on that, I'll go ahead and get a video made on those too. Thanks for watching.